The evangelical writings. First of all, you need to know who were evangelists. Evangelists are preachers of the Christian gospel who aim at spreading the teachings of Jesus Christ to the nook and corner of the world and convert many people as they can to Christianity. For them, Christianity became the prism through which all knowledge of the world was refracted. As you all know that the light rays passing through the prism can be refracted. Like the same way, for them, means for evangelicals, Christianity became the prism through which all knowledge of the world was refracted. Evangelists were highly regarded in countries which accepted church-centered or church-advocated education. Evangelists believed that it was their duty and responsibility to spread the message of Jesus Christ to the world. With the advent or arrival of colonization, evangelists also entered India. They compared Indian and European civilization and looked down Indian civilization. They strongly condemned, or you can tell us they strongly criticized Orientalists and blamed Hinduism for poverty of religious ignorance. They advocated Christianity as the only way to change India. Next, listen carefully. This evangelist said that Christianity is development oriented and Indian intellectual and moral standards will increase with the introduction of Christianity. Evangelist hatred against India and Indian culture and religion is called Indophobia. So there is a question, what is Indophobia? Indophobia means it is a negative feeling towards India, Indian culture and religion. Next, Charles Grant was the most renowned among the evangelists. He pressurized the East India Company to grant him permission to spread Christianity in India to eliminate religious ignorance of Indians. In the initial stages, it was not granted as the company was more interested in trade and commerce. Later in 1813 AD, British Parliament passed a Charter Act or this authority which allowed entrance of missionaries, in the sense Christian missionaries, to India. The evangelists professed or they declared that they were God sent to improve Indians. So the evangelists tried to project European civilization as a superior by condemning or criticizing the native culture and customs in India. They proclaimed that it was a white man's burden to civilize India and Indians. They also made Indians believe that the British government is working for their betterment. Though evangelists tried to blemish or tried to find the fault whatever was Indian, their contribution in education reforms are significant. They rendered an invaluable service in the field of education, social and cultural reforms. Many missionaries strongly condemned the evil practices of Indians, leading to the abolition of such practices. Thus, here ends evangelical writings.